Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today onwards, I am starting the Bootstrap tutorials also. This is the first Bootstrap tutorial for beginners. Today, in this tutorial, we mainly discuss on the what is Bootstrap, what is Bootstrap, why we use Bootstrap, how to get Bootstrap, what is responsive web design. These four topics I am covered in this tutorial. What I am discussing, what is Bootstrap, why we use Bootstrap, how to get Bootstrap, what is responsive web design. Today I am discussing on these four concepts. First of all, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free and open source framework for creating websites and web applications. It is the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile-first projects on the web. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free and open source framework. Bootstrap is a open source framework creating websites and web applications. It's the most popular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript framework for developing responsive websites. Developing responsive mobile-first projects on the web. One framework for every device. One framework for every device, even laptop, tablet, or mobile. One framework for every device. Bootstrap is a free and open source framework for creating websites and web applications. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, models, image, consoles, and many other, as well as optional JavaScript plugins also. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive web designs. Bootstrap is also gives you the ability to easily create responsive web designs. First of all, what is responsive web design? Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices from smartphones to larger desktops. Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices from smartphones to larger desktops. Yeah, here I am showing the example. Suppose I am clicking on this. Here I am minimize the window. It automatically resizes. This is the responsive web design. We can see the tablet mode or mobile mode. It can automatically adjusted. Yeah, iPad view 1024768. Portrait and landscape. You can see the any mode. It will be automatically adjusted. This is the responsive web design. Once again, what is responsive web design? Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves. Here, this website is automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices. Suppose we can see the iPad. Suppose we can see this is the mobile view. It automatically adjusts themselves. Looking good also. Looking good from smartphones to larger desktops. So this is the use of responsive web designing. And next one is why we use Bootstrap. Why we use Bootstrap? Easy to use. Anybody with just basic knowledge of HTML, CSS can start using the Bootstrap. Mobile first approach. Bootstrap 3 framework consists of mobile first styles. Throughout the entire library instead them of in separate file. Mobile first approach. Bootstrap is also mobile first approach. Bootstrap 3 framework consists of mobile first styles throughout the entire library instead them of in separate file. Browser compatibility. You can browser Bootstrap is compatible with all modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, and Opera. Bootstrap is compatible with all modern browsers like this. And responsive features. Bootstrap's responsive CSS adjusts to phones, tablets, and desktops. Bootstrap's responsive CSS adjusts phones, tablets, and desktops also. This website is created in Bootstrap, so it is automatically adjusted in tablet mode or mobile mode, anything else. You can see any mode, mobile mode or tablet mode. We can saw the also larger desktops also. This is the mobile mode. It will be automatically adjusted CSS, looking good from mobile phones to larger desktops also. Advantages of Bootstrap. Supports responsive web design. I am also saying it supports responsive web designing. Saves lot of development time. In the developers also use the same type of development code. Consistency. Bootstrap was developed by Twitter to encourage consistency. What is that? Bootstrap was developed by Twitter to encourage consistency across their internal tools by giving their developers a centralized development code base. Since all the developers working use in a centralized code base, the end result is consistent, regardless of who is working on the project and which web browser is being used. And next one is customizable. Bootstrap is also highly customizable. If you are using the only few features of Bootstrap, you can customize to download only those features using. Yeah, Bootstrap also highly customizable. If you are using the only few features of Bootstrap, you can using the only few features of Bootstrap, so that's features you can be download. Scaffolding, typography. You can use different type of libraries. You can download the particular libraries. Next one is, and final one is support. Bootstrap is most popular framework. It has very large community base and excellent documentation. What is that? Bootstrap is most popular framework. It has very large community base and excellent documentation. So guys, this is the Bootstrap introduction class. Next tutorial I will explain the how to setting the Bootstrap environment. I will explain with example. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel and click on bell icon also. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.